The second video of level 10 non-chord tone. So later I'm going to give you some example, but we talk about 5 types. So passing tone, upper neighbor, lower neighbor, anticipate, suspension. The last one is actually 6 types. So I'm going to erase this 5 and write 6 over here. Okay. The last type is called appoggiatura. Appoggiatura, APP, appoggiatura tone. Okay, it usually comes with a skip. Okay, so for example, you have E, and then this one is F. But then you skip up to the G first. First you skip, this one is a skip. Then this one is step down. Whenever you have a skip in between notes, you want to think it is an appoggiatura. All this is a step. CDE is a step. EDC is a step. This one is a step. This one also a step. And this one also a step. Everything is a step. The only thing that have a skip is appoggiatura. Okay. So at your page 28, now we are at this side. The right side. Later we will come back to that side. Okay. So for example, the first note. So this is your example. All the circle notes is a non-chord tone, which is a non-harmonic tone. That means the same thing. B, A, G. So this one is passing because you have B here. This one is G here. This one is a passing tone. So I write PT here. Okay. Then you have G, A, A. So it anticipates. A-N-T. This one is a non-harmonic tone, so it anticipates from there. Okay, then the next circle, C, right? So D, C, B, another passing tone. Passing tone is the easiest one. Okay, then you have A, B, back to this A, not G, because the sum is going up. You want to keep with the one that sum is going up. A, B, A, upper neighbor tone. I give you many examples already. This is your appoggiatura. From this E, you always refer what's before and what's after. E, G is a skip, so appoggiatura, APP. Okay, so that one is a tricky one because you see there's a skip, but this G continue with that G, right? So it's actually anticipate. Anticipate from there. Okay, then how about this one? Lower neighbor tone, because it's G, F, G, lower neighbor. Okay, this one is easy, and then you can figure out those by yourself. Okay, all right, so that's for your right hand side. For the left hand side, it's just the Roman numeral. Should be easy, but they are two of the secondary dominance. Secondary dominance usually has one or more notes that don't belong to the key. So for example, this is in the key of G. So when you do, probably that one, I'm just guessing, number 5, because that's a C sharp. Okay, so what kind of notes? You have to use all the notes. So you have A, C, E, G. A, C sharp, E. You have to rearrange into your snowman. And so that's how, because I memorized A, C sharp, E, G. This one has C sharp. C sharp is not belong to the key. So this is a 5 of something. How do you know 5 of something? So add number 5 here. 5 of, I'm going to write down. Then I'm going to count. Start from G, I count 5. Then I got D. This is my finger. G, A, B, C, D. From D to A. D, E, F, G, A. It looks like it's a 5 of 5. Okay, then I need the figure base. A, C sharp is your lower, so you are having a 6, 5. The figure base go with the first 5, not the second 5. That's how you do a secondary dominant, and the rest is just a figure base. Let me give you the first example. So number 1 right here. If you read the instruction, it says ignore. Because they are the non-chord tone. So ignore this. So use only G, B, G, B. It's just G and B. So I will pretend G, B, D. So this is G, B, D, GBD, easy, in the key of G is chord 1. So I'm going to write chord 1 right here and 5, 3 with the figure bass because they want both Roman numeral and figure bass. Thank you.